Hi, this is Paul from Samwell Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Star Wars Edition Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Okay, here we go. Rightio. There you go. I'll show you the dark side. Kylo Ren. Okay, here we go. Ready, peeps? Okay, so first things first, you get a lovely leather case. It's like feels all like really soft inside, very nice, and look, it's got a logo there as well. That's that bit. I'm doing this bit. This is like your quick start guide. There we go, and obviously your SIM pin there. This is a dual SIM one. Put that back in there. And then we get a little metal plaque with a broken mask. Look at that. Very nice. Solid metal. Well, yeah, it's solid. It's raised as well. Very nice. There you go. Rightio. And now to the main bit. The actual phone and the extras. Okay, not much space to do this, but rightio. We'll do the buds first. So you actually get limited edition buds as well. So very nice. So these are black buds, but look at that, red inside. So it's the black and red theme going on. Very nice. Okay, put them back. Obviously in there as well you get the USB Type-C charger, and you also get different tips as well for sizing for people's different sizes of ears. No, that won't go back in there. Probably not a bit that you're going to use anyway. The charger for that, because you probably use the same charge. Well, I will anyway. And that's those. Now to the star of the show. Right, okay, here we go. We'll lay that aside. Bit of card there. Then we've got the 3-point adapter to Type-C. Very nice. That's a fast charging plug. Nice little box, whatever this is. Is there anything in it, or is it just a box? Is it just a box? Ah, yes, that is your little tool to pull out the nibs on the S Pen. And obviously there's a replacement nib in there as well. Very nice. And then this bit here is USB to Type-C. That's for transferring, I suppose. Nice little bit there. And then what we've got here, we've got micro USB, micro to Type-C. Very nice. Fast charging cable, Type-C to Type-C. Standard length, probably about 1 meter. Very nice. And we've got some AKG headphones. How do we get into these? Oh, there we go. Oh, they look quite nice actually, for a change. And then there's some extra nibs in there as well. What are they? They've got to be Type-C, aren't they? Because there's no headphone jack. Yeah, so Type-C there. Very nice. Volume up and down, and answer call button. They might be quite nice actually. Probably better than the old ones. Rightio. Okay, star of the show. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we've got the red edition round there, very nice. Going with the black and red theme. We've got the red buttons here, volume up and down, and power. And then going around the top, we've got the SIM tray and the infrared and mic. Going down, got the other mic, Type-C, and then your speaker. And then obviously the S Pen, and the S Pen is red. Very nice. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's see what we got. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, powered by Android. I was going to say powered by Samsung, but it's not. Oh, Kylo Ren. Oh, very nice. Nice little theme there. Bit of Star Wars. Okay, so all the, not all of them, but a lot of the icons are Star Wars themed. Obviously with the black and red, the helmet there for your contacts. Very, very nice. Pulling down from the top, you've got the black and red theme going on there, which is quite nice. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And S Pen. Okay. Rightio. Okay. When we push it back in. Oh, and then when we pull it back out, lightsaber. Yes, very nice. Just like little bits in it. That's what they've done. Little quirky bits here and there. I'll zoom in a little bit. And then we've got the wallpapers. I know there's extra wallpapers. So there you go. You've got all these Star Wars themed wallpapers here. It's different. It's different. I like it. I like it. So the actual phone side of it is not a lot of difference to the Note 10. You just got like quirky little bits where obviously the sound comes out when you pull out your pen. The ringtone, I think there's ringtone as well. Let me just check. Can't play too much of it. So there you go. You got ringtone as well, and obviously there's message tone as well, which is, let's just check the message tone. I'm sure the message tone does it as well. Notification. Where are we? Sounds. Notification sound. Sim 1 or Sim 2. The same sound as you heard. Right, so, and also I know there's another little bit when you turn the phone off as well. So, turn on the phone off. It's different. It's nice. I like it. Yeah, I like the theme of it. And obviously, with the leather case that you get with it as well, it's going to go down very nicely. Okay, so that has been my unboxing on the Star Wars Edition Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you did enjoy it, give the video a thumbs up. Sub buttons down below. Subscribe if you're not already. Subscribe to see lots more reviews on tech stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.